Hello friends, welcome to our channel Bang on Theory. The friends, in today's video we are going to discuss very important and most impressive and powerful phrases or for your upcoming virtual job interviews or normal job face-to-face interviews. So this video is for all branch and for all batches, fresher and graduates. So please don't skip this video, watch till the end, and I am going to share you all important phrases you can use at the interview, at the starting of your interview, beginning of your interview, and during your interview, and at the end of your interview. Okay, so these all phrases are very important and by which you can easily crack your interview, your upcoming virtual job interviews or your upcoming normal job interviews. So please don't skip this video. So let's start. First, please subscribe our channel, like this video, and please support our channel, and you can also join our WhatsApp and Telegram group. Okay, so without wasting your time, so let's start. So first, major key sentences you can use to introduce yourself at the job interview. Okay, and you already know that first impressions are always very important. Okay, and for job interview it's no different. So these are basic different sentences you can use to introduce yourself, okay, at a job interview. So first you can use good morning, afternoon, okay, and my name is Viraj Malik and I want to thank you for this opportunity. Okay, and you can also use hello, my name is Viraj Malik and it's a pleasure for me to be here. Okay, and you can also say good morning, afternoon, I am Viraj Malik and I want to thank you for taking me into consideration for this position. Okay, and you can also say hello, my name is Viraj Malik and I'm glad you called me because I really want to work for this company. Okay, and hi, my name is Viraj Malik and I am here because I think I have the profile you are looking for. Okay, and next, hello, my name is Viraj Malik and first of all I want to congratulate you for making this company capable of offering a top quality service. Okay, so these are all basic impressive key sentences you can use to introduce yourself at your job interview. Okay, I hope you understood. So next, at the beginning of interview, so at the beginning of interview your goal is to make a strong first impression on the interviewer. Okay, you want to present yourself as polite, professional and conscious. Okay, so while you shouldn't spend too much time on pleasantries. Okay, so first and most important is start the interview with a polite greeting. Okay, you should start your interview with a polite greeting. Okay, so you can say how are you today, sir, and you can also say I am pleased to meet you. Okay, and you can also thank the interviewer for meeting with you. So thank you for taking the time to meet with me today. Okay, and you can also mention who you know at the company, your senior, your brother. So you can say I was so excited when my brother told me this position was open and when my senior told me this position was open. And you can also express your gratitude for being considered. So you can say I really appreciate being considered for this role. Okay, and you can also convey that you have researched the role and the company. Okay, I have done a lot of research already and I am excited to learn more about your company from you. Okay, and you can also point out that you are a great fit for this job, and you can say I have reviewed the job description and it aligns well with my experience and qualifications, and I am looking forward to talking more about these with you. Okay, I hope you understood. So next, asking someone to repeat a question. So one of the most disturbing moments you can go through it if you didn't understand a question. Okay, so don't feel bad, it's natural and legitimate to ask for a question to be repeated. Okay, if you didn't get the question at first, you shouldn't be afraid to use one of these sentences for a job interview. Okay, and to ask someone to repeat it. So you can say I am sorry sir, would you please repeat the question. Okay, and you can also say excuse me sir, I didn't hear you, can you please say that again. And you can also say would you please say that again, and could you please repeat the question and speak a little bit harder. Okay, and sorry I didn't understand you, could you please say that again. And you can also say, I'm sorry sir, I didn't hear the last part, can you repeat it please? Okay, so these are all basic sentences and phrases you can use for asking someone to repeat a question. Okay, I hope you understood. So next, as the interview is happening, so as the interview proceeds, your main concern should be to answer the interviewer's question thoughtfully. Okay, if possible you should also aim to weave in some of the following statements. Okay, so first, don't just say you are a match for this job. Okay, yeah, you should review the job posting and match its requirement to your resume. Okay, so you can use real life examples and some interaction, and you can also use some success stories and accomplishments from your past. Okay, and you can say, I am match for this job because you can relate some stories and your past responsibility. Okay, and relate to this, you can relate to this job specific requirements. Okay, and you can also explain how you will add values and help the company's bottom line. And you can say, in previous roles here's what I have done and this is how I will add value to your company. Okay, and you can also convey that you are a team player. Okay, so you can say, I consider working with others to be one of my strength. Okay, and suggest that you would plan on staying with the company. This is very important because company wants you would really like to continue to build your career at this company or not. So you can say, this role aligns with my long term goals and I would really like to continue to build my career at this company. Okay, and you can also emphasize that you are eager to learn and develop yourself personally and professionally. So you can say, I am always looking to build my skills and I have recently taken a particular course, read a book, studied a subject, okay, which I think has really sharpened my edge in this field. Okay, so these all are very impressive phrases. Okay, you can use as your interview is happening. Okay, next, emphasizing your strength. Okay, because sometimes you may want to highlight some of the features you think make you perfect for the position you are being interviewed for. So use these sentences for job interview when you want to put emphasis on one of your strength. Okay, so you can say, I think I am the right choice for this job because I know how to. Okay, and whatever strength you want to mention. Okay, then my mention thus you can also mention a set of skills relevant for the job. Okay, will allow me to do this easily. Okay, whatever strength you want to mention. Okay, and whatever skill set you want to mention. You can also say, I am very good at. Okay, and that's why I think I will be able to handle this position. Okay, and you can also say, I will love to work here because I. Okay, whatever strength you want to mention, your leadership skills. Okay, your interpersonal skills. Okay, and you can also say, I think your strength, my particular strength and my this strength make me perfect for this job. Okay, and you can also say, I can say my top 3 skills are. So you can mention all your skills. Okay, so you can use these all sentences to highlight and emphasizing your strength. Okay, so next, at the end of the interview. Okay, so end of the interview is your chance to ask the questions. Okay, which is important to do in order to show genuine interest in the company. Okay, so you should also demonstrate social fluency by closing out the interview gracefully. Okay, so first, state that you have researched the company and want to know more about. Okay, so you can ask questions related to company. Okay, so you can say, I have done a lot of research about this organization and I really love. Okay, about you, can you tell me more about. Okay, so whatever question you want to mention you can add. Okay, and you can also say, you can also ask what goals the company is trying to meet this quarter. Okay, so you can say, can you tell me more about the goals the company is trying to meet this quarter. Okay, and you can also convey that you really want the job. Okay, and reiterate why. So you can say, I would love to work here because whatever reason you want to mention. Okay, and next, say that you are ready for next steps. Okay, so you can say, the positions sounds like a great fit and I'm ready for next steps. Okay, so please let me know if you need anything else from me. okay. And at last, thanks the interviewer for their time. So you can say thanks again for taking the time to chat today and to call today. Have a great rest of your day, okay. So I hope you understood. So next, you can also use these sentences. You will end up the interview in a high and a leave an excellent and professional memory in your interviewer's mind, okay. So some other sentences for your job interview you can use. First is, I have been looking for this position for a long time, okay. And you can also say, I love the idea of working here because I enjoy, okay. This is what I always wanted to do and I know I can do it very well, okay. And you can also say, I'm glad I was recommended by, and whatever person you want to mention for this position. You can say, I am glad I saw this job post because I am very excited about the idea of working for this company. And at last, you can say, you can expect nothing but proficiency and excellent results if you hire me, okay. So I hope you understood. And at last, thanking the interviewer at the end of interview, okay. So you have to finish your interview as neat as you started it, okay. So don't let the interviewer with a bitter sweet taste and thank them before the interview is over, okay. So these are some sentences for job interview you can use that can help you thanking them, okay. So you can say, thank you very much for your time, I will be waiting for your call, okay. And you can also say, I want you to know that I am very thankful for this, okay. Before I leave, I want to thank you for the opportunity and I hope we see each other again soon. You can also say, I wanted to thank you before I leave. I hope I have the profile you are looking for. And you can also say, it was a pleasure meeting you, and then again, I want to thank you for having me here. And you can also say, I want to thank you one last time and I will be expecting your call, okay. So I hope you understood, and these all phrases are really going to help you for your upcoming job interview. So if you have any query, you can ask freely in comment section. Thank you, friends. So thanks for watching. Please support our channel, join and follow us.